If Earth's 4.6 billion year history were compressed into a single day, all of human civilization would flash by in the last second. This mind-bending scale is what geologists call deep time. To navigate it, they've created a timeline, the Geological Time Scale, essentially reading Earth's official diary, written in layers of rock. This diary isn't divided by dates, but by catastrophes. The chapter breaks are called golden spikes, thin lines in the strata marking a mass extinction or a sudden, violent climate shift. Take the famous KPG boundary from 66 million years ago. In the rock layers below this line, you find an abundance of dinosaur fossils. Directly above it, you find none. That specific golden spike is a thin layer of iridium, an element rare on Earth but common in asteroids. It's the physical scar left by the impact that ended the age of reptiles, and it separates two great eras of life. But how do we know the date of that impact? We use the clock inside the rocks themselves, radioactive decay. Unstable atoms, like uranium-238, decay into other elements at a constant, predictable rate. Uranium's half-life is 4.5 billion years, making it perfect for dating ancient events. By measuring the ratio of uranium to its decay products in volcanic ash near a fossil, scientists can calculate its absolute age. This is far more powerful than carbon-14 dating, whose clock effectively stops after just 50,000 years. This brings us to our own time. Scientists now argue we've entered a new epoch, the Anthropocene, where human activity is the primary force changing the planet. We are causing a sixth mass extinction and moving more soil and rock than all natural processes combined. In the distant future, geologists will find our golden spike. It won't be iridium from space. It will be a layer of microplastics, concrete, and the radioactive isotopes from our own inventions, a permanent record of the moment we became a geological force.